Hello student, welcome to your online class of chemistry. In the previous part, we knew how to write IUPAC name. Student, today we will discuss the naming of different organic compound. At first, the nomenclature of alkane for open chain compound. That means here we naming only open chain alkanes. We knew the method to write IUPAC name. At first write the secondary prefix, that is the substituent, then write the primary prefix, that is cyclo or bicyclo, then write the word root, that means number of carbon in main chain, then write the primary suffix, that is the type of carbon carbon bond, then write the secondary suffix, that is functional group. But in case of alkane, that is open chain alkane, there is no primary prefix and no secondary suffix, that is functional group. That means the functional group not present in case of alkane compound. So in case of alkane, only write substituent, then write the number of carbon in main chain, that is the word root, then write the type of carbon carbon bond. For alkane, there is only single bond is present there, so the primary suffix is N. For example, CH3, CH2, CH3, there is no substituent, so then write the word root. That means the number of carbon in main chain. Here 3 carbon in main chain, then the word root is prop, then the carbon carbon bond in this compound. There is carbon carbon single bond is there, so the primary suffix is N. The name of the compound propane. Next come to the points, rules for nomenclature. First rules, select longest carbon carbon chain, need not to be straight. For example, here is a compound, for this is the longest chain, this is the another longest chain. Which one selected? As per the rules, the maximum number of carbon in long chain. Here 7 carbon in long chain, there is 8 carbon in long chain. That is why according to the rules, this compound as a main chain selected, this is not selected. Next rule, if the 2 or more longest carbon carbon chain are there, select the one with maximum number of branches or substituent. Here one compound is there. If the selected this one as a main chain and this one as a main chain, another process to select a main chain, both main chain contain 5 carbon atom, but which one is selected? This one is selected because this main chain contain maximum number of substituent. Here 2 substituent is there, but in this case 1 substituent is there. So this is the correct method according to the rules. Next, the numbering from that side so that the branches or substituent get lowest locane, that means lowest number. See, here is a compound. If the numbering from that side, substituent get the position at 4 carbon, but if the numbering from that end, substituent get 3 carbon. So according to the rules, this one is correct method because here the substituent gets lowest number, that is number 3 carbon. Next rules, if the same substituents occur more than once in the molecules, then the Greek prefix di, tri, tetra and so on are used to indicate the number of times it appears. If there is 2 times appears, then prefix is di, 3 times tri and 4 times tetra. Here the substituents appear 2 times, so here di use. So the name is, at first write the substituent, then word root, then carbon carbon bond. Substituents, write the position of the substituent, at first write, we know that. So 2,2 dimethyl, here the methyl alkyl group as a substituent, so 2,2 dimethyl, 6 carbon atom is there, so hex, and there is a single bond, that is why N. So the name is 2,2 dimethyl hexane. Fifth rules, naming of substituent always alphabetically orders. That means alphabetically first substituent names write first and then write second. Here there is a 2 substituent, one is ethyl group substituents and a methyl group substituents. Ethyl come first, that is why ethyl names write first. Here 2 methyl, 3 ethyl pentane. Here the methyl name write first, that is why it is a wrong process, and this is the right process, because here the ethyl, that E first letter that come first, that is why ethyl write at first, then write the methyl. 3 ethyl, here the 3 position of carbon ethyl group present, that is why 3 ethyl, and 2 methyl, 2 carbon position methyl group present, that is why 2 methyl. Here the 5 carbon atom is there, that is why word root is pent, and there is a single carbon single bond, so that is N. So the name is 3 ethyl 2 methyl pentane, that is the right name. Here discuss some example, that is there is a 2 carbon, then the word root is eth, here carbon single bond, that is N, the name is ethane. Here 3 carbon as a word root, that is the main chain, contain one substituent, that is 2 position methyl substituent. So at first write the substituent 2 methyl, then write the word root, that is prop, then write carbon bond, that is N. So the name is 2 methyl propane. Next, this compound contain 2 methyl group as a substituent, 2 position and 1 is 3 position. Then 2,3 dimethyl, that is the substituent, then the write the word root, there is a 4 carbon in main chain, that is why the but as a word root, then write carbon bond, there is a single bond, so that is N. So name of the compound 2,3 dimethyl butane. For next, this compound, there is a 6 carbon atom in main chain, and there is a 2 substituent, one is methyl and another is ethyl. We know at first write the ethyl, that is why 3 position ethyl, in position 3 carbon atom ethyl substituent attached, that is why 3 ethyl and 2 methyl, that means carbon atom 2 position carbon atom methyl group attached, that is why 3 ethyl 2 methyl, and word root here 6 carbon, that is why hex, and there is a single bond, that is why N. So the name is 3 ethyl 2 methyl hexane. Next, here 2 carbon substituent, here chloro as a substituent, that is chlorine substituent. So the 1 position, so the 1 chloro eth means 2 carbon, and there is single bond, that is N. The name is 1 chloroethane. Here 3 carbon as a main chain, that is why prop, and 1 substituent, that is bromine in position 1, that is why 1 bromo prop N. Name is 1 bromo propane. Here the propane, not the ethane. So the name is 1 bromo propane. Next, come to the points. Nomenclature of alkene and alkyne. Method to write the nomenclature or IUPAC nomenclature. At first write the substituent, then write the word root, then write the type of carbon bond. Here is no functional group, that is why no secondary suffix and no primary prefix, that is cyclo bicyclo not present. So write the substituent, word root, and type of carbon bond. Rules. First rule, select the longest chain having maximum number of double bond and triple bond. Next rule, numbering in such way that double bond or triple bond get lowest locant, that is lowest number. Next rules, the substituent, that is chloro, bromo, iodo, ethyl, methyl, have less priority than double or triple bond. Numbering of this main chain according to the priority, that means double bond, triple bond have higher priority than substituent. For alkene, here type of carbon bond, that is double bond. For double bond, primary suffix is in. So naming in this way, at first write the substituent, then write the word root and type of carbon bond. Here the type of carbon bond in, that is why write here in. Note the position of the double bond, write just before in. For example, there is 2 carbon atom is there, that means the word root is eth, and there is double bond between carbon and carbon. So the primary suffix is in, that is why eth plus 1 in, that position 1 double bond, where one position of carbon, that is why 1 in right here. The name, that is ethene, no need to write 1, that is why name is ethene. If there is 2, then write here 1, that is why no need to write. Next, there is 3 carbon atom, that is prop, and 1 position double bond, that is why 1 in. So the name is propene. Here the 4 carbon atom, that is why but, and double bond 2 position, that is why 2 in. Here write the but 2 in. There is 4 carbon atom in main chain and 1 substituent at 3 carbon atom. Therefore, at first write the substituent, that is 3 methyl plus 4 carbon atom, that is but, and 1 position in, that is 1 in. The name is 3 methyl butene. No need to write 1. So 3 methyl butene. Next, naming of alkyne. Here the type of carbon-carbon bond, triple bond. In alkyne there is a triple bond there. For triple bond, primary suffix is ine, yne. Then method to write, at first write the substituent, then write word root, then write the type of carbon-carbon bond. Here the carbon-carbon bond is triple, that is why ine, right. Note, the position of triple bond write just before ine. Position mentioned in IUPAC name. For example, there is 2 carbon atom, that is why eth, and 1 position is triple bond, that is why 1 ine. No need to write 1, that is why ethyne. There is 3 carbon atom in main chain, that is why prop, and 1 position is triple bond, that is why 1 ine. No need to write the 1 in main IUPAC name, so that is name is propyne. Next, there is 4 carbon atom in main chain and triple bond in 2 position carbon. So the but for 4 carbon atom and ine at 2 position, so 2 right here. So name is but 2 ine. Here the 5 carbon atom and triple bond present in 2 carbon atom and 1 substituent present at 4 carbon atom. So at first write the substituent, that is the 4 methyl, word root is 5 carbon atom, that is why pent, and triple bond present in 2 position carbon atom, that is why 2 ine. So the name is 4 methyl pent 2 ine. Next, IUPAC naming of functional group compound. Method, at first write the substituent, then write the word root, then write the type of carbon-carbon bond, then write secondary suffix, that is functional group suffix. Note, in the IUPAC name, if A, E, I, O, U, Y, among those letters, if one letter is come just before another letter, then the previous one remove. For example, here the pent N plus all for functional group suffix or alcohol. Here the E come just before O, that is why E removed. E remove and name is pentanol. pentanol, pentanol. Next note, the numbering in such way that the functional group get lowest number, that means lowest locant. Next, IUPAC naming of alcohol. Alcohol general representation. For alcohol compound, general representation ROH. Here R is alkyl group and general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. OH, that is the functional group for alcohol. The formula of alcohol functional group, that is OH, and structure of the functional group, that is O single bond H, and secondary suffix, that is all. For example, alcohol compound, because this contain OH group as a functional group, that is why it is a alcohol compound. Here is 1 carbon atom, so the word root is meth, and there is single bond is there, that is why N, and functional group suffix, that is why it is all. Here E comes just before the O, that is why E remove and the name is methanol. Similarly, here 2 carbon atom, that is why eth N plus all ethanol. Here one substituent in 4 carbon atom, that is why first write the substituent, that is 4 methyl, then write the word root, that is pent. Here single bond, that is why N, and then secondary suffix, that is all. That is the name is 4 methyl pentanol. Next, IUPAC naming of aldehyde. Aldehyde group means it contains CHO group. But general representation, that is RCHO. Here R is the alkyl group. General formula CnH2n plus 1 and CHO. And formula of aldehyde functional group formula, that is CHO, and structure of the functional group C double bond O single bond H, and the secondary suffix, that is Al, ALL. Note, the carbon of functional group should be counted in main chain carbon. That means the carbon atom in the functional group that also counted as a main chain carbon atom. For example, that is aldehyde compound, because this contains CHO group and there is a 2 carbon atom. So the word root is eth, here single bond, that is why N, and the secondary suffix, that is Al, ALL. Here E just come before A, that is why E removed, and name is ethanol. Then here is 1 carbon atom, so that is a methanol. Here is 4 carbon atom and 1 substituent at 3 position. That means at first write the substituent 3 methyl 4 carbon atom, that is why but. There is single bond, that is why N, and the secondary suffix for aldehyde group, that is Al, AL. Here E removed and name is 3 methyl butanol. Next, IUPAC name of ketones. General formula or general representation, that is R, C double bond O, R. Here one is R, one is another is R dash. R and R dash are alkyl group. They are or similar or different. Maybe similar or different. And general formula, that is CnH2n plus 1 CO CnH2n, that is N dash 2N dash plus 1. And formula of ketone functional group, that is CO, and structure C double bond or double dash. Here the secondary suffix for ketone functional group, that is on. The position of the functional group written just before on. For example, there is a 3 carbon atom, so the word root is prop, and there is a single bond, that is why N, and position of the functional group C double bond on position, that is 2 carbon atom, that is why written here 2 on. On is the secondary suffix. Then the name is prop on 2 on. Here N is removed because this N just come before O letters. And next, there is a 4 carbon atom, that is why but, and N, and 2 position on, that is why 2 on, that is functional group at 2 position, that is why 2 on. The name is butan 2 on. Similarly, here name is the pent plus N plus 3 position functional group present, that is why 3 on, that is pentan 3 on. The IUPAC next, the IUPAC name of carboxylic acid. General representation R, C double O H. R is the alkyl group. The general formula CnH2n plus 1 C double O H. And formula of carboxylic acid functional group, that is C double O H. And structure of this functional group C double bond O single bond H. And secondary suffix, that is oic acid. For example, here is 1 carbon atoms, that is why meth. There is a single bond, that is why N, and secondary suffix, that is oic acid. That means the name is methanoic acid. Here 2 carbon atom, that is why ethanoic acid. Here 3 carbon atom, that is why propanoic acid. And here is 4 carbon atom, that is why butanoic acid. Today's discussion up to here. Thank you. Goodbye.